Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed maintenance guide for the Candelaria Mercedes Martin Santana Acer Spin 314. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary steps to keep your device running smoothly. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a set of pliers, compressed air canister, a microfiber cloth, a multimeter for electrical diagnostics. Once you have your tools ready, ensure your Acer Spin is powered off and disconnected from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, we will begin by opening the device. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you're unsure about handling this, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. After you've removed the back panel, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Dust buildup can lead to overheating, so use your compressed air canister to blow out any dust from the fans and circuit boards. A clean device operates more efficiently. Now, let's check the connections. Ensure all wiring is intact and securely connected. If you notice any loose wires, use your pliers to gently secure them. For electrical issues, a multimeter will be handy to check for continuity in the circuit. Don't forget, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Moving on, let's focus on the internal cleaning. Using your microfiber cloth, wipe down the surfaces inside the device. This helps maintain optimal performance and prolongs the lifespan of the internal components. Be gentle and avoid touching any sensitive parts directly. Once cleaning is complete, it's time to reassemble the device. Align the back panel carefully and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. Now, let's perform a quick functionality test. Plug the device back in and power it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that all functional buttons are responding correctly. If any issues arise, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in your maintenance costs. If everything is functioning properly, congratulations! You've successfully maintained your Candelaria Mercedes Martin Santana Acer Spin 314. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your device in top shape. If you ever feel overwhelmed, just recall that no calls or travel are necessary. We're here to help with our convenient service options. Thank you for following along with this maintenance guide. Regular upkeep will ensure your device remains efficient and reliable for years to come. Happy maintaining! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.